You know, when I first started working out, I thought push-ups were just push-ups. You drop down, you push yourself up, and that's it, right? But oh, how wrong I was. Push-ups are like the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They're versatile, they're challenging, and if you do them right, they can sculpt your body in ways you never imagined. Let me break it down for you. First, we have the classic push-up. You know this one. Hands shoulder-width apart, body straight as a plank. You lower yourself down until your chest almost kisses the floor, then push back up. It's simple, but it's the foundation. This position primarily targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. But don't let that simplicity fool you. It's a killer if you do it right. Next up is the wide grip push-up. You spread your hands wider than shoulder width, and as you lower yourself, you really feel the stretch in your chest. This variation emphasizes the pectoral muscles even more, giving you that broad, powerful look. It's like opening up your chest to the world, claiming your space. Then we have the diamond push-up. Hands close together, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. This one is a game changer for your triceps. You'll feel the burn in your arms like never before. It's a different kind of challenge, and if you want those arms to pop, this is the way to go. Now, let's not forget the incline push-up. Find a bench or a sturdy surface, place your hands on it, and let your feet rest on the ground. This position is easier than the classic push-up, making it perfect for beginners or for those days when you just need a lighter workout. But don't underestimate it. It still works your upper chest and shoulders effectively. Then there's the decline push-up. Elevate your feet on a bench or a step, and let me tell you, this one hits your upper chest and shoulders hard. It's a more advanced move, but if you're ready for it, the results are worth it. You'll feel like a beast as you push your body up from that angle. Finally, we have the explosive push-up. Push yourself off the ground with enough force that your hands leave the floor. It's not just about strength, it's about power and speed. This variation engages your fast-twitch muscle fibers, giving you that explosive strength that translates into so many other exercises. So, there you have it. 6 positions, each with its own unique benefits. Push-ups are more than just a workout. They're a journey to strength, endurance, and a body that reflects your hard work. Embrace the challenge, and you'll see the transformation.